Good day, my name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In this video, I'll be talking about how to register an account with an awesome brand new robot called Sarai. Sarai is a awesome robot from Asia, and it's really great one. But in this video, we'll just be talking about doing your registration. Doing your registration or registering an account with Sarai, you just need a referral link in case you don't have one. Check the description below, the description box below. Okay, so I have one right now, so I'm gonna click and make registration with it. It's just as simple as ABC. So click on the registration link and put in some few details and you're good to go. So probably I should be open one. Okay, let me see if I can open one for my darling wife. Okay. Why is our account not here? I think that should be Laurichi. Yeah. So, what password do we use? Let me just pause this to put in the password. It has to be 5 to 15 digits in length. Okay. Composed with numbers. And do we have special characters? Let me just. Okay, I think I have something there. I just hope I'll recall. Then you have to take this up, scroll so that you can see the agree. You can see I have to move as if I'm reading it down. So I click agree, then sign up, and I think that's all. So it's done. It's done. It's done. It says your email. Oh, sorry. It's even showing the password, which is the same thing as the email address. Okay. Okay. I close that. But I'm gonna log in right now to at least see if the account is intact. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if the account goes. Laurichi. Okay, Laurichi. Then I'll be having no. Well, don't try and hack this account because right now I might not be funding this account for her until probably later in the future, and I'll be changing the password. So don't worry, you shouldn't disturb yourself. If the password is still correct, it's because I'm yet to work on it. So I didn't want to use a password or my password for it, so I only copied the front. So I just copied the wallet address. It said incorrect password. Come on, up and now. It's supposed to be correct too. Because probably yeah. It might not be correct because I think okay. I think I think I know why. Okay. The first one should be capital letter. Yeah. Verification code error. Okay. Click on this to refresh the verification code and give us a new one. Am I right? I think this is one. Is it 583? I hope I'm correct. Password incorrect. Up and now. Why is it not correct? Something that we copied here just now. Why is it not correct? Come on. Should be correct now. Let me pause this and check. Well, at last I'm able to log in and this is the account. It's a brand new one. Let me show you this so that you know it's still the same account. Okay. Username Larichi17. So it's the same account and it's brand new. So this is just how to open an account with Sarai. Okay. Thank you. God bless you.